Hello guys, I would show you our EA Gold Ultimate BS. So I click on it and I attach it on the chart. So of course ensure the auto trading is on if you want it to start working immediately. And of course it's important because if you don't, this function will not be active. So if you don't and anytime you turn it on, ensure to have this turned on, because you can have all the setup and then the EA is not working. This could be the reason, so ensure this is always on. So back to the functions of the EA. So we have the buy only and the sell only. So you can decide to buy, to have the EA buy only or have the EA sell only. This actually happens when you understand that this market is bullish trend, so you can just be on the buy, or you understand that this market is bearish trend, you can stay on the sell. So of course this the lot size can be adjusted. The SL, please make it 1000. Don't worry about it. Of course we have the equity protection here, the capital protection. You have this on and set. So I'll get your TP. I like this. So grid. I love on gold. If it's good, I love using 50. Of course I prefer 70 100 on good. Of course you should know that the way you manage your EA is what would actually um, ensure high profitability. So learn how to manage the EA properly. Okay, this is the multiplier. You can use 150 if you're not very sure of the trend. Someone might want to use 100, but I don't advise 100. 100 would not be profitable and it can still blow your account. Okay, so 200 is high risk. It depends on what you want. Of course, you should know how to combine, how to manipulate the lot size and the multiplier. Okay, because they kind of, both of them determine the risk of the EA. So on a $10,000 account or 10,000 cents, 10,000 cents means it's $100, on a micro account. So it makes it 10,000, 100 times 100, 10,000 cents. So on a 10,000 cents, I can actually go with 0.01. If you want to be more conserved, then you can use 0.05, then 180 on your multiplier. Okay, if you're using 0.01 on 10k, 180, 150 is fine. 200 might be so high, but if you understand the trend and you know how to manage it, of course you can do 200. But then you have to avoid the news, high impact news. You have to avoid it. Okay, leave this current, leave it on current. But most times I have this EA work on H1 chart. So of course current H1. Now you can also select H1, but then you can play around with it and see which time frame you prefer. Of course, this is the time the EA will trade. So this means it's trading roughly 2 hours 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Not 21, 22, 1 hour 30 minutes. So if you want it to trade like round the clock, not to stretch yourself, just change this to 0. So it would trade around the clock. Of course, if you want the perfect timing, then set it like as this is 21:30, you can make this 21:29. So to trade around. But I'm okay like this. So this means I just want this EA to trade just that time. Okay, then cut loss, yeah, I've turned it on already. So select this. Now for me, I want you to set it on 20%, between 20% to 50% of your account. It's very important you give the EA because it's a martingale EA, so you need to give it space to trade. Then on a 10k account, you can set this on $200. So if it's 10k, I will set this on, that's how much. 10k account, I'll set it on like 3,000 and $200. Don't worry about it. This martingale and it's trading. So someone will be like, you are risking more than you are making. No, it doesn't really work like that. But just test it on the demo and see how it works. Max lot size, and you can trade with this. So this is for dependent orders. So if you want to alter this, ensure the minus is there. Of course, on this also ensure the minus is there. Okay, so after the setup, now it's not going to pick a trade automatically because it's off. So okay, all right, this is it. This is it. It's not the board that came with these arrows. This is the indicator there. That's one of our custom indicators. So we can remove it. This is it. This indicator. We developed it this year, so we're already working. We're already working. And you can see the accuracy of the indicator. I want to remove it. Delete. Okay, so what do I want to do? Like on H1, now of course you have the button you can use for your instant execution and pending order and all of that. So let me try buy stop. What's happening? Did it take a trade? Okay, I think it placed a trade above. Yeah, that's it. Then buy limit. Okay, before I do this, let me close all pending order. So buy limit, sell limit. See, they all work. Then let's take instant execution buy sell. That's instant execution. You can wait. Let's take this up. So use this to close the buy, and use this to close the sell. All right. So that's the workings of the EA. Let's turn this on. It's gonna pick one of it. It's definitely going to pick a buy. Okay, because of the time, let me 21. Okay, let me make this 21, 29. So I'll be sure it picks a trade immediately. Okay, so you can see I've picked a buy. So that's it's possible to pick a sell. Let me go to a lower time frame. The sell condition is not met yet, so it's not going to pick a sell. All right, so that's how this works, and of course it's martingale. So every degree size is what's degree size 50 or 70. So after every 70 pips, it's going to pick another trade. All right, thank you very much, guys. Remember to trade with good money management. Of course, put your risk appetite into consideration before trying to use a bot. Okay, and of course, don't forget that you need to understand the bot so you can manage it more effectively. But I can assure you that this bot gives over 80% accuracy. It all depends on your management. Keep the news, stay clear from the news, stay clear from the high impact news. All right, thank you very much, guys.